Unveiling Sri Lanka, a journey through nature and culture. Sri Lanka, an island nation in the Indian Ocean, boasts stunning landscapes and rich biodiversity. The island is home to incredible wildlife, including elephants, leopards, and exotic bird species. Explore ancient temples and vibrant festivals that reflect the rich cultural heritage of Sri Lanka. UNESCO World Heritage Sites showcase Sri Lanka's historical significance and architectural marvels. With a booming tourism industry, Sri Lanka offers beautiful beaches and delicious traditional cuisine. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing travel insights.